Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to find your phone number on iPhone. Let's begin. Now, finding your phone number on an iPhone is a straightforward and an easy process, especially if someone asks for your phone number in a situation where you don't have your contacts sync or readily available. Knowing how to quickly find your phone number ensures you can share it without delay. When setting up new services or accounts that requires your phone number for verification or contact purposes, having an easy access to your phone number simplifies the whole process, right? Now, once you are inside your iPhone, I need you to switch over to the iPhone's setting. Now, once you are here, I need you to hover down below where you can see the phone setting. Okay, just around here. You see the phone above messages? I need you to click on it. Now here, that's where you can find your phone number on iPhone. You see my number? Besides that, that's going to be the strings of your phone number where you can, of course, get your phone number here in iPhone. For example, when in certain situations, you may need to verify your identity by providing your phone number. Knowing where to find it in your iPhone ensures you can quickly provide the necessary information. If your contacts list get out of date or if you need to share your number with someone new, knowing where to find it is a very convenient way, allowing you to update your contact information accurately. Now, I find it useful when traveling internationally and using local SIM cards or needing to provide a contact number for local services. Knowing your phone number is essential. But the thing is, if you can't find your phone number here on iPhone, there are another method that you can explore, which is you can simply go to this website that says, what is my phone number? I need you to hover to your browser. I'm using Safari because I'm using an iPhone. Just click on it, and what will happen is just click on the detect now button below. All right, now when you do that, you would be forwarded here. All right, now you see, all I'm gonna do is serve this number for the next 83 seconds. All right, and come back to this app after making the call to see the number you were calling from. All right, and it's free for most operators from any country, and they will not pick up your phone. You will hear a busy signal and automatically hang up, and all I'm gonna do is click this number option and click on call. In that sense, you would be able to know your phone number on your iPhone, and it's a basic get information functional that can facilitate communication right here. And of course, that would give you an insight and a convenience to find your own phone number here on iPhone. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.